Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be fulfilling a video request. I'm going to be synthesizing hi-hats. The viewer asked me, "Is like, how is this made, and how do they make the hi-hat sound like that, and how do they open up the hi-hat and change it throughout time?" And the reason they're able to do that is because it's a synthesized hi-hat. And, the benefit of a synthesized hi-hat is, you can change it and do wacky stuff throughout the track and make it sound super duper trippy. So I'm gonna just make a basic one. I'm not an expert, but I play one on TV. So I just dropped in Serum there. I'm going to insert a MIDI clip, and then I'm going to just draw in a little note here. And this is just gonna be the hi-hat sequence. And we're not going to use that. I'm going to turn off oscillator A. So hi-hats are essentially white noise, and white noise is kind of inharmonic. So let's get some white noise going on here, and feel free to experiment with different noises. Right, there's that. So I'm going to be using the LFO as an envelope. So LFO1 is going to be envelope, and I'm going to set this rate to, not quite sure yet, but I'm going to draw it in, and then this rate will be doing some cool things in the future, I suppose. So yeah, let's hop to that. I want to tap envelope or LFO1, which is now an envelope, to level. Right, so there is something that kind of passes as a hi-hat. Make this a little bit bigger. Let it redraw the screen. Cool. Right, so there's that, and that's just with the ARP white. And you can use many different kinds of noise generators, I guess. J60. And you can get into like the inharmonic ones, so maybe a little bit stereo, maybe like organic AC hum, maybe. Right, that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, but anyway, let's go back to the analog. And yeah, we have that. So let's get into the brief kind of attack that we have. So I'm going to make a new LFO, not LFO. Just going to get some white noise in here, and let's see what that sounds like. Oscillator, I should say. And that. Right, I want that to be like super duper fast, so I'll just bring that down. It still sounds a little bit like though. All right, so there's that. You need like the little bit of an attack, a little bit of an attack at the beginning. And there's that. Just to kind of have a continuity. So let's say your track is going, and you want to have like those evolving kind of hi-hats. You can do that with the rate, or open up the pitch a little bit, or you can do all sorts of things now. If I could select that as normal, I'll mostly just play around with the rate. Right, and then you have like your delay and stuff like that. But that's just a quick little example of that. Right, reverb. And just the delay, maybe even the smoothness. Move it around. And the sky's the limit, essentially. And, this is with no filter whatsoever. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.